In this video, we will see how to create a category and how to assign the items to the categories and how to see the reports category wise. So categories you can understand are basically it can be the major groups. It can be like the food under which we'll be defining any of the menu groups, menu items, and it is the major group like the food. And it can be the major group for the beverages, and it can be the major group for all other categories or the items if you will be selling. It can be like shisha, it can be tobacco. So if in the end, if you want to see the category wise reports, like how many food item have been sold, how many shisha item have been sold, how many beverages item have been sold. So for such reports, we have to create the categories. And now we will start with looking at how to create a category. So for creating a category, we have to go to the inventory management module. Under the inventory management module, we have the items. Click on the items and we have to click on the action. After clicking on the action, we have to go to the edit list of categories. So now you can see food and the beverages is already created. Now I'm going to create a new category called the Shisha. And I click on save. So now our category have been added. Now, if you want to see it, you can again go click on action and you can edit list of categories. Now you can see. So these are few categories we have like the Shisha, foods, food goods. That is basically for the products. But here we have the beverages. So our major is shisha, food and beverages. So similarly, you can add multiple and more if you want to categorize them and if you want to see in the reports. So now after doing this, we have to assign these the menu items to these categories. For assigning the menu items, we have to open the menu item. Let's suppose we are going to add all the beverages item to the category which we have created called the beverages. So now we will open all. We can manually do it one by one. We can. I'll show it you both the ways. So for doing for one, you have to open the application and you have to go to the additional information. Under the additional information, you see the category. From here, you can select the web category and you can click on save and close. Again, for a look at it, you have to go to the additional information. From the additional information on the right side, you have the category. Select the category from the drop down, the correct category, and once you have done it, you can click on save and close. This is a way how to create, how to select one single item. And if you want to do it all together for all the items, then you have to, in that case, you have to select all the items you want to change the category for. Make sure whenever you will be changing, it will be taking one category at a time. So now I'm going to select all these items starting from all Jimmy to the other till after dark. Now I'll click on action, edit. Now we'll select the category. It is the beverages. I'll click on save. So now if we open any one of these, we can see that our category have been changed to the beverages. Similarly, we can do it for the Sisha. We can select all the Sisha items, right click, edit, and go to the category. Select the category called the Sisha. Click on save. Done. Same way we can do it for the food items. Open the food item, maximize it so that you can select all together. If you want to do it manually one by one, that is also you can do. We are going to do it for once for all. So you can either click on action and click on edit, or you can right click anywhere after the selecting and you can click on edit. Now click on category and these are the food items. So I'll select the food, then I'll click on save. So now we have seen how to create a category and how to assign the items to the categories. Now we are going to look at the reports. So for looking at the reports, we have to go to the option called the retail sales. Under the retail sales module, we have the OLAP sales report. So basically all the sales report, you can find it in the OLAP sales report, which is available under the retail sales. From here, you can even create your own reports. But now we have created a report called the category wise sales report. Might be it will be different in your laptop or in your system. It may be different. So we can use the current wise sales report. We can select the categories which you want to see. It is a one-time task. You can click on it, and once you do it, now it will start showing you all the beverages item, like which beverage item have been sold, how many times. Similarly, you can see for the food and the shisha. So now you can see that for this time period, These are the menu items. Like these are the shisha have been sold. The exotic shisha have been sold 20, the 17, 10, 37. The food items have been sold this much, and the beverages item have been sold this much. Even if you want to if you want to sort it by the highest and lowest selling item, you can click on any of the number of items. Like anywhere, you will see the highest selling items and the lowest selling items. Now, even if you want to make any changes, like only you want to see the item category, you can drag it back. And now you will see food items have been sold 17, shisha items have been sold 84, and the beverages item have been sold 89. So you can make the changes in your reports. Earlier it was showing also with the items. Now I have dragged back the items so that only we can see the food item, the shisha item, and the beverages items. I hope now you understand how to create a category, which is the major group, how to create, how to assign the category, the menu items to the categories, and how to view the report. Thank you.